get to learn how to make a dummy roll of film. So I have a roll of film that is either already developed or exposed, and I don't care about. I'm going to take a canister that has a little bit of film sticking out of the end. I have used Strong Bond Scotch tape in the past with really good results. I recently got this special tape from, I don't know, B&H Photo or something like that that's meant for this, so I'm giving that a try. I tape the film to both sides and I feed it into the canister. Roll the film back into the canister. And you cut the leader into the standard shape cameras take. So there you go. That's how you make a dummy roll of film that you can use to practice with.